Department of Veteran Affairs VA Insurance Service Executive Director Daniel Keenahan is here to discuss VA insurance programs, some changes that you might not be expecting. So thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Jordan. I'm excited to talk about our VA life insurance and the 5.6 million people we serve.
Yeah, and my first question is, how did the VA become involved in life insurance and why?
So our current secretary is talking about improving access and outcomes. And the VA's actually been providing life insurance for over 100 years, dating back to World War I. As we've gone through successive conflicts, we continue to support our veterans, our service members, and military families with life insurance in both term and whole life policies.
And so why does the VA and not the Department of Defense provide life insurance?
The VA has a whole life cycle, and the way the statutes have been written, the VA has been trusted as the agent to be able to help ensure our veterans and service members get all the benefits that they've earned.
Okay, then let's talk about the differences, the major differences, I should say, between VA insurance and, let's say, private insurance companies.
Sure. So the VA covers service members who may have a disability rating in order to be able to ensure that they can get rates that are competitive with what they find in the private sector.
Mm-hmm.
The private sector doesn't always cover war risk or some of the disabilities that occur due to the nature of people's service. And we provide it so that they can pass something on to their beneficiaries or family members.
All right, let's say someone wants to switch over. Does the VA require service members to have medical exams before converting to a veterans group life insurance?
Not in all cases. When service members are separating, they can be able to convert their existing SGLI and $400,000 to VGLI. And this past April, we just reduced VGLI to our lowest rates ever.
And what about spouses and family members? Are they also going to be able to be covered on the VA life insurance policies?
So spouses and family members are covered under Family Service Members Group Life Insurance. And that's existed. We're actually celebrating 20 years of that this year. It's a very exciting time. When service members separate, they need to be able to convert it to a private insurer.
Okay. What about when the service member leaves the military? Are there any changes there? Does it kind of just stop at that point?
So their existing coverage continues for 120 days. After that time period, they need to elect to sign up for Veterans Group Life Insurance, and it will be at a rate commensurate with what they had while they were in service.
Okay. Well, what has the VA done to modernize its life insurance benefits and services? Sounds like a lot.
So we've done a lot. We started out with a $10,000 program 100 years ago, and $10,000 was more meaningful back then. Currently, we provide up to $400,000 of cover for service members. And then this past January, a new program was just signed into law that's going to go live January 1st of 2023. And that's going to provide up to $40,000 of whole life insurance coverage. Veterans will be able to sign up without time limits to apply, because veterans have been trusting the VA with their life insurance throughout their military cycles and then their transition and beyond.
Well, good information there. Thank you so much for joining us today. If we want to look up any more of this, where can we go?
Please go to va.gov/life-insurance to sign up for more information.
This is a big military area, so I'm sure this is going to help a lot of people. Thank you so much. And if you'd like to see this segment again or get more information, go to firstcoastliving.net.